YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer pressure side pool cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have another quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Racer pressure side pool cleaner. For today's video, we want to actually show you guys how to remove the front grill here with the thrust jet that is actually attached to the main timer valve of the cleaner. So as you guys can see, this is a pretty stripped down cleaner. In order to get clean access to this actual front grill, to remove it, you guys can do it without having to tear it down like this. You will need to remove the bottom base to get access to the bottom of the timer valve. But just to make sure that you're not breaking any more plastic or you're not doing anything, any more damage to the actual cleaner, it's much easier to already have it broken down to where we are right now. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a full playlist that'll show you guys how to get to this point right now. So, excuse me, once you've done this, you're gonna go ahead and lift out the timer valve. Very similar to the water management system. They all come out as a pair, or a triple here, because you get the front, the timer, and the water management kit. So when you guys flip it over, you guys can see the actual connection here for this front grill jet that they have. When it's actually sitting in the frame of the cleaner, the bottom gearbox is actually sitting up right on top of it, so it will make it a little difficult to be able to get out. But as you guys have seen from some of our previous videos, since this frame is not a solid piece of plastic, there's a lot of divots and turns and twists. It does allow a little bit of movement, so you guys could get this off without having to get this far. But just to benefit it, we're already down to this point. We're going to take it off and show you guys up close for it. So again, the only tool you'll need once you get down to this point is just a small flathead screwdriver, very similar to removing the hoses on some of the other moving parts here of the cleaner. So we'll go ahead and snap off the inlet here that leads into the bottom of the timer valve. One good thing about this front grill jet is that it actually comes as a solid piece. Nothing will require you to have to use zip ties or hose clamps. Everything will already be pre-done for you. The quick clip here that'll plug into the bottom of the timer valve is already put together with an O-ring, everything good to go. So once you just take this off, you're gonna put your new one back on and then gently put everything back together. One good thing with this timer valve to know where you're gonna put stuff back is this metal rod that's actually on the bottom of the timer valve fits directly into the top of this gearbox here. So you're gonna wanna maneuver it enough to make sure that it sits in there properly, so that as you start to put the screws back together, everything sits in there right. So again, this helps with pushing the cleaner back. It helps move some of the debris in the front as the turbine jet or the turbine scrubber is moving. So it kind of helps keep the dirt and debris down, so that as the cleaner runs over it, the venturis on the bottom can get it up into the vacuum tube and suck it up into your bag and keep that pool surface clean. So make sure you guys hit that like button. We got a ton of videos coming your way, so be sure to subscribe. Turn on them notifications so you guys can stay up to date on all of these videos that we got headed your way. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.